KP monitor KP.
That
That is interesting to you.
interesting to me or to you? It's different. That's different. No, we had a really good lunch together. After the win yesterday, he wanted to celebrate with us, so we really appreciate that he invited us into his home, and we got the chance to meet him and his family. So we are really grateful, and yeah, we had a good time.
Any message from President?
You have to ask him. You have to ask him. No, but what I said. We had a really good lunch together. He said some nice words to all of us, that he was proud of us, and that yeah, we have to keep fighting. So we will do that, and yeah, most of all, we are really grateful to be here. Sorry? Optimist, yes, of course, yes. A little gift, I don't know, I didn't open it. Yes.
Did you guys sing together or?
We did actually sing together, everybody, so we had a really good time, I think. Most of the lunch was us singing together, so that means we have a really good bond together. Yeah, so that happened.
The next plan for the match? Preparation?
We're gonna leave tomorrow afternoon, to Japan, and we're gonna focus on the last game because it's still important. But for sure, yeah, we are really happy that we already qualified for the next round. So yeah, but what I said, we still have one more game, and it's important for us.
Any obstacle that you guys were in the court?
Obstacle now. Yeah, of course we know next game is against Japan, but what I said before, now is just for us to celebrate after yesterday, and yeah, starting from today we're gonna focus on Japan.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mundur boleh mundur teman-teman mundur dong.
Coach, oh my gosh.
Your face, your face. Hello. No, we are really appreciated that we get this invitation, of course, by the president. And we're very grateful. Fantastic win yesterday, and we're building on the future.
What's the plan to match?
Sorry?
The plan to the next match?
Well, tomorrow we leave to Osaka. Well, we have a game plan, but it's not convenient to tell it now. The most important thing is that the players need to know what they need to do. But we're going with a good feeling and show our heart for Indonesia on the pitch.
Do you think Japan is harder contender than China?
Well, they showed their skill, of course. They're top of the group. They have a very good team, but we will show also the skills that we have, of course.
Any message from the president for the upcoming match?
Good luck, enjoy, and give the heart for the country. And that's the aim. Okay? Okay. Thank you.
Opor gimana? Acaranya beliau. Opor udah nyampe.
Ya sampai Pak. Lagi Pak, lagi dikit lagi Pak.
Mas, mundur dong, Mas.
Nggak usah nanya yang tadi malam lagi kan udah. Oh, saya rasa pelatih, pemain sangat merasakan apresiasi yang luar biasa dari Bapak Presiden, karena ini kan bukan di sana mereka, di rumah pribadi. Jadi mereka merasa kekeluargaan. Bapak Presiden juga men-treat mereka sebagai keluarga, karena kita tahu mereka juga banyak berkorban kan untuk merah putih kita. Dan Bapak Presiden apresiasi itu. Dan Bapak Presiden menitipkan, walaupun kita sudah lolos ya ke playoff, nah kita fokus lawan Jepang juga tetap mesti benar-benar bermain maksimal. Ya, jadi jangan karena sudah lewat terus kita bersantai-santai, tidak. Itu bukan ciri khas yang dididik oleh Bapak Presiden untuk bangsa kita. Kita harus berjuang terus gitu. Makan siang, terus tadi Marcelino nyanyi, ya yang biasa yang kayak ya yang kayak waktu di Bali.
Itu pada bawa goodie bag hadiah dari Presiden atau gimana Pak?
Sepertinya itu, saya kurang tahu.
Ada janji dari Presiden nggak kalau misalnya timnas menang atau lolos?
Ya pastilah, nggak usah dari Pak Presiden, pemerintah sudah bantu ya sepak bola nasional hampir 200 miliar per tahun. Jadi itu angka yang luar biasa, yang saya rasa selama pemerintahan ini yang terbesar. Gitu. Ya. Tadi Bapak Presiden pesan jangan minder, kita bangsa besar, kita harus berani lawan semua. Dan tentu kenapa uji coba di bulan September melawan Kuwait dan Lebanon, karena kita akan melawan tim Timur Tengah. Nah kita juga izin tadi saya melapor ke Bapak Presiden, ada Pak Mensesnek, ada Pak Setkap, untuk juga untuk bidding sebagai tuan rumah. Ya siapa tahu kita masih bisa, walaupun kita tahu dominasi negara-negara Timur Tengah cukup kuat, ya sebagai tuan rumah ya kita coba, ini kesempatan. Kita nggak boleh berpikir itu, kita harus tetap bermain sebaik-baiknya. Kalau kita bisa main bagus, cetak gol, ya kalau dicurangin apapun ketahuan kok, ya. Jadi kita sendiri yang harus kuat untuk menunjukkan performa terbaik itu. Kita nggak boleh mengeluh terus, ya. Makasih ya.
Bapak Presiden ada rencana akan menonton langsung di Jepang?
Wah, saya rasa Bapak Presiden banyak agenda besar ya. Bola sudah lewat, Bapak Presiden bekerja lagi untuk masyarakat dan rakyat. Beliau sangat paham, apalagi sekarang ada program yang sedang didorong, stimulus ekonomi. Ya ini yang beliau juga fokuskan. Gitu. Makasih.
Terima kasih. Yuk, selamat Idul Adha. Terima kasih.
Memang sudah direncanakan.
Sudah timnas dulu.
Kita ada limit ada Mas Pras nunggu tuh Mas.
Terima kasih ya Pak Eri.
Makasih ya.
Makasih Mas Edi.
Pulang nih kita.
Itu, dari foto aja. Apa? Dan, jauh aja lah ini.
Jauh-jauh itu juga udah makan kesenangan. Sampai cabut ya Gil. Terus pantengin.